Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey Voyagers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on an epic adventure to Iceland, the land of fire and ice. But we're not just visiting any corner of this magical island. We're heading to Europe's second largest national park, a place where glaciers carve the landscape, waterfalls thunder down canyons, and geothermal wonders bubble beneath the surface. This is Vatnajökull National Park, a wonderland waiting to be explored. A realm of giants. Understanding Vatnajökull. Vatnajökull National Park is a true giant. Covering over 14% of Iceland's landmass, it's a sprawling wilderness dominated by the mighty Vatnajökull Glacier, the largest glacier in Europe by volume. This behemoth of ice reaches a staggering thickness of over 1 kilometer in some areas and conceals several active volcanoes beneath its icy surface. The park itself encompasses a diverse landscape sculpted by the relentless dance of fire and ice. From the jagged peaks of volcanic highlands to the cascading waterfalls and lush valleys carved by glacial rivers, Vatnajökull offers a breathtaking display of nature's raw power and beauty. Gateway to Adventure. Exploring different regions. Vatnajökull National Park is vast, and each region offers a unique experience. Skaftafelli, once a separate national park, is now part of Vatnajökull and serves as a popular gateway for many visitors. Here, you can hike beneath the shadow of glaciers like Jökull, marvel at the power of Svartifoss, a dramatic black waterfall cascading down a columnar basalt cliff, or embark on a glacier hike venturing onto the icy surface for an unforgettable perspective. Further east lies Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, a breathtaking display of nature's ever-changing artistry. Here, colossal icebergs calved from the mighty Jökull glacier drift serenely across the turquoise waters, creating a mesmerizing contrast of icy blues and glacial whites. Boat tours offer a closer look at these giants of ice, while seals frolicking in the lagoon add to the magical scene. No journey to Vatnajökull is complete without witnessing Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall. This magnificent cascade plunges over 44 meters with a thunderous roar, sending a plume of mist that hangs heavy in the air. The raw power and energy of Dettifoss are truly awe-inspiring. For those seeking a more off-the-beaten-path adventure, Askja Caldera offers a lunar-like landscape. This volcanic complex boasts a vibrant geothermal lake and dramatic craters, a stark contrast to the glacial beauty of other areas within the park. Experiencing the elements, activities in Vatnajökull. Vatnajökull National Park is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Here are some activities to consider. Glacial hiking. Embark on a guided glacier hike and explore the icy world of Vatnajökull firsthand. Strap on crampons and venture onto the surface of the glacier, experiencing the unique textures and formations of this frozen landscape. Kayaking on Jökulsárlón. Paddle amidst the majestic icebergs of Jökulsárlón Lagoon for a truly unique perspective. Witness the play of light on the ice formations and keep an eye out for playful seals basking on the icebergs. Ice Cave Exploration. Descend into the heart of a glacier by joining an ice cave tour. Marvel at the mesmerizing blue hues of the glacial ice and the intricate details carved by nature's forces. Horse riding. Explore the Icelandic highlands on horseback. This traditional mode of transport offers a unique way to connect with the landscape and experience the vastness of the park. Beyond adventure. Culture and local delights. While adventure takes center stage in Vatnajökull, don't forget to immerse yourself in the local culture. Charming villages like Höp offer a glimpse into Icelandic life. Explore local shops selling unique Icelandic crafts and souvenirs. For a culinary experience, sample traditional Icelandic dishes like lamb stew or cured fish. Don't miss a chance to try Icelandic skyr, a thick, protein-rich yogurt perfect for post-adventure refueling. Accommodations for every adventurer. Finding the perfect place to rest your head after a day of exploring is easy in Vatnajökull. The park offers a variety of accommodation options to suit every budget and travel style. Cozy guest houses and hotels nestled in charming villages provide a comfortable and social atmosphere. For a more rustic experience, consider camping under the vast Icelandic sky at designated campsites. Some campsites even offer basic amenities like showers and laundry facilities. Essential information for planning your trip. Now that you're excited to explore Vatnajökull, here's some essential information to help you plan your trip. Getting there. The park is accessible by car from Reykjavik. Several tour operators offer day trips or multi-day adventures to Vatnajökull from the capital city. Best time to visit. Summer offers the most comfortable weather for exploring, with long daylight hours. However, spring and fall can also be beautiful times to visit, with fewer crowds and the potential for witnessing the northern lights. Just be prepared for more variable weather conditions. Weather. Icelandic weather is notoriously unpredictable. Be sure to pack for all conditions, including rain, wind, and sunshine. Layered clothing, waterproof gear, and sturdy hiking boots are essential. Permits and regulations. Certain activities like glacier hiking and ice cave exploration require permits and must be done with a certified guide. Be sure to research regulations and book tours in advance, especially during peak season. Respecting the environment. Leave no trace. Vatnajökull National Park is a place of breathtaking beauty. It's our responsibility to ensure this pristine wilderness remains unspoiled for generations to come. Follow Leave No Trace principles by packing out all your trash, respecting wildlife, and staying on designated trails. Small actions can make a big difference. A once-in-a-lifetime adventure awaits. Vatnajökull National Park is more than just a collection of stunning landscapes. It's about feeling the raw power of nature, pushing your limits on an adventure, and connecting with a place unlike anywhere else on Earth. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or simply seeking a breathtaking escape, Vatnajökull has something for everyone. So pack your bags, embrace the elements, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime in the land of fire and ice. We hope this video has inspired you to add Vatnajökull National Park to your travel bucket list. If you're planning a trip to Iceland, this park should definitely be on your itinerary. For more adventure travel inspiration and stunning destinations, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy exploring! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.